Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna show you this Milka. It is in a box and it seems like a pumpkin cakes, but it's an choco jaffa raspberry jelly. It's a kind of biscuit, I believe, or cupcakes, and inside it contains a jelly form of raspberry. So nice concept, I like the concept, and the brand name is Milka. So what else? They have mentioned all the ingredients and everything over here. And what else I can tell you? Yeah, it is a product of Romania. Over here they have mentioned Romania. So let's open it. Let's not wait for long and see how it is. So yeah, it's a kind of biscuit. Wow, beautiful tray, isn't it? So let's open it. Now I'm gonna show you like this. Yeah, so you can see the jelly is over here. You need to eat it together, I believe. Very soft texture. Jelly is giving lots of sweetness, and that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Thank you friends, bye bye.